a little birdie puppet. Oops. So I just cut this out. Well, actually, I just drew it out. So now I have got. So the supplies that we need is scissors, glue. That's a giant glue stick, and a clothespin and some smell markers that I just got for my birthday, and then some glue eyes, and then a pom-pom for the hair. I'm gonna color in my drawing. I decided pink. Oh, okay, I forgot to color the top. Do you guys want to hear a silly joke? What do you call a fake noodle? And a pasta. What did the horse say when she fell? Help, I can't giddy up. Why did the bike couldn't stand up? Because it was too tired. Okay, so I'm gonna color the lips. This color. Oh look, that's actually pretty. I have to kill up now. This is actually turning out pretty good. And woohoo! We did it. Look at this, it's gonna be a hello. So now I'm going to set these markers aside, and I am going to get my glue stick and my googly eye. Hello. Okay, I'm gonna get some glue on my googly eye. Ooh, look at that, it's so gluey. I just decided to do a big one because it's like really funny. Okay, perfect. That's funny. So now I am going to get this back open again. Now I have to glue this on the clothespin. Oops. Whoopsie. Whoopsie daisy. Oopsie. Oh my goodness. This is so hard. But then time for the other one. Perfect. Okay, that looks perfect. Now we are gonna glue this cute little thing on. I'm just gonna get some glue on here. You can't even see it. There we go. Okay, I think I just want to glue this thing right here. Looks so cute! Check it out! We made ourselves a birdie puppets. This is so cute. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye. Click down below and like this channel. Give me a thumbs up.